Hi everyone, you can see this is a 2012 Prado which has come for the infotainment installation. So let me show you what is the existing infotainment and we'll update you with the new Tesla type screen what we are installing in this. So that's the car and that's the regular screen of Pioneer which has been installed by the customer, but now we'll be installing the Tesla type screen, which all these functions you can see of the AC which is given separately, that will start functioning in the Tesla screen. So now we will start the fitting. So that's the screen. So it's a big screen because, as I said, it's a Tesla type screen which we will be installing. Installation will start now. So now we have done the installation and that's how the screen is looking. This is the same Prado and you can see this is the AC. So earlier the AC had the buttons, but now it's getting operated through the screen. You can do all plus minus, even the air pressure, everything you can change from this. Also on the top there is a Bluetooth power link, so everything, all the apps, videos, so almost everything whatever you want can be done in this because it's an Android tab. And you can play music, Bluetooth, and even the clarity is good. The navigation is there. When you take a reverse, even the camera works. So these are all old good cars, but then there's no entertainment features in the car, so you can actually upgrade by putting these kind of screens. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this. Thank you guys. You can call us on 766 930 930. We are from Mumbai.